everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is Glossybox time. Today's one of those days where I gotta film when I can, which is why I look like this. I'm wearing track pants, my makeup is half worn off, and I have been working and in my car all day. But that's okay because that's what life is about. It is about getting things done when you have time to get them done and to do what you love to do. So here I am. If you don't like how I look right now, close your damn eyes and just listen to me yammer. So this month is kind of like a seashell theme. I really love the look of this box. I'm actually going to keep this box. I love it. I've been keeping the Glossybox boxes to do wrapping at Christmas, but I'm going to actually keep this one myself. So if you are not familiar with what Glossybox is, it is a $21 a month subscription box service, which has been coming with between 4 to 6/7 full-size or sample products. It is a little bit of a more mature box. It comes with a lot more skincare, hair care, and just overall beauty as opposed to BoxyCharm, which is very much makeup based. So let's just get in it. I also find that the products are a little bit more classy. Is that weird? Classy? Is that the wrong thing to say? So there is some like random TKTs something in there I don't care about. If you've been here before and watched me do an unboxing, you know I'm about the little card thing. So what is this? This theme is see you soon. I am here for a good pun. So I was actually super pumped for Glossybox to come this month. I'm always pumped for any packages to come because I am a package crazed psycho. But I was ready for BoxyCharm and for Glossybox to come this month because I started going back to the gym. And the amount of minis I don't own is like crazy. So I was hoping I was gonna get some kick-ass minis. So this month we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. And let's go through their value and what they are. The first product we have is the Matte Effect Transparent Loose Rice Powder. Whether you're doing professional makeup or just want to look good in real life, as you do on Instagram, I do, thank you very much. Hashtag no filter, all the filters. It's not a filter at all, it's Facetune. That's the longest hashtag ever. This transparent powder is the ideal match between high quality and accessibility, keeping you looking hot even when you're out in the summer sun. I use powders. I don't necessarily use translucent powders because of flashback, and I know that Jessica Braun just did a video about how annoying it is when people talk about flashback because, you know, we aren't all in studio lights and having our picture taken all the time, but like really any flash photography does it. And I feel like most people have some sort of flash photography in their life at some point. So the full size price for this is $12. So obviously it has the sieve on it like a normal powder would. It is very thin packaging, which I can really get on board with. I do have to give props for the packaging on this because this is the packaging we are talking about with some other powders I have. So this is the Kat Von D and this is the Laura Mercier. And to be honest, these are really hard to store and I find it kind of irritating. So this is 0.3 ounces or 10 grams. And the Kat Von D is 19 grams. And the loose powder from Laura Mercier is 29 grams. So it is considerably less. I will give them that. More, less, smaller packaging, fine. Product number 2 in here is a macaroon, super cute. I believe this is a lip balm, mini macaroon lip balm. Full size is $5.99 and this is a full size. Look how freaking cute this is. It is no joke an actual macaroon. So I just screw the top off and it smells very nice, but the lip balm is green. I hope it doesn't actually go on green. I hope it's clear. It's clear. We're cool. Everything's cool. Okay, what does this say? Have your dessert and keep your summer body too. Inside this perfectly packaged macaron is a moisturizing nourishment to make your lips as tantalizing as your tan. Warning, vitamin derivatives and fruit extracts will make your lips healthy, but don't count for your daily dose of healthy eating. Glossybox, so funny. This is super cute. If this was something that came out at Sephora, I would be like, oh, I should buy it. Because it's adorable. My next product in here is the NCLA So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. Cuticle oil is not something I currently use. I should because my cuticles are nasty. It is a little dropper, and to be honest with you, I love the smell of it. It smells like a salon. It's actually in the flavor, shade, scent, Mermaid Tears. Goes right with the sea theme. I get it. I get it. I've decided something that really irritates me is when companies don't put product sizes on their products. So it says that the full size is $18 and is 0.5 ounces. I don't know how much this is. I'm assuming somewhere around there, but I digress. Mermaids may be confined to fantasies, but with their tears you can have unreal nails. That seems vicious. Give me your tears so I can have nice nails. The vitamin E combined with sunflower seed oil not only nourishes your nails and cuticles, but locks it in for lasting effects. Who knows, with these mermaid tears, you may even bag a prince. What if you don't want a prince? What if you want, like, puppies and money? Like, is that an option? A few glossy boxes ago, I had an experience with the John Masters Organics shampoo and conditioner, and I used those two things, and oh my god, the shampoo was horrible. Oh my god, like, it makes me nervous to try this. This is a hairspray. The featured size is $10 for 2 fluid ounces. A light citrus scent leaves you free to rest your head on your significant other's shoulder without worrying about the smell of a hair salon turning them off. Plus, the non-sticky touchable hold is perfect for someone's fingers to run through. Get the shine you want and the beneficial nutrients your hair needs. I want to know what the spray looks like. Are we ready? Oh, it's actually not bad. Oh, it does smell nice. It smells a little bit like Pledge, but like, I like the smell of Pledge. Like, just the lightest touch of Pledge. I anticipated this spray to be like that old style spray bottle that's like this, that hairspray that would like go on really wet. Like when you were in like the early 2000s and putting butterfly clips in your hair, and like that was, you were using like the Aussie hairspray. You know what I'm talking about. It's not a good idea. It's not cute. It was a big mistake. Also, I'm pretty sure I used to put star stickers in my hair. I hope this works out because it's the perfect size for my gym bag. There is a second John Masters Organics hair product in here. This is the Citrus and Neroli Detangler. I actually need a detangler. I don't have one right now. With my long straggly ass hair, I do need one, so I'm not sad about it. The conditioner that came with the original shampoo and conditioner set for these John Masters Organics was actually quite nice. It is still in my shower. I'm still using it. So the featured size is $6 for this and is 2 fluid ounces. Salty beach hair is great for no shower happy hour, but when you get home and rinse off, this lightweight conditioner will leave your hair flawless for those hot summer nights. Key ingredients like grapefruit and soy protein tone, hydrate, and strengthen your hair without layering multiple products. Find an updated ingredient list on the back of this product card. So fun facts about me, I don't effing like hair product at all. Every time I go to a salon and they're like putting mousse and spray and gel stuff in my hair, I'm like, ah, no! It just weighs down my hair and irritates my scalp, and I just don't like it. The last product in the box is the I'm not going to pronounce this without butchering it. It sounds inappropriate. I want to say it's Kishi? This is the facial makeup remover. My micellar water is almost gone, so this is actually coming in good time as well. The full size is $14 for 3.4 fluid ounces. This is the full size, so $14 for this. The worst look is the one when makeup is running down your face. Now you can wear your long-lasting look for a dip in the ocean without having to painfully scrub it off at night. The 2-part routine uses soft oils to remove even waterproof makeup and lotion to leave you feeling fresh and clean. So if we go back to what I said about this being like a more mature, more classy type box, you will see that a lot of the products are like everyday use products. Like these are things that you will go through, that you will use. That is why I like Glossybox. I will go through things I get in BoxyCharm as well, but just not at the same speed, level, usage rate, whatever you want to call it. The return on investment on Glossybox is here. Like I have found myself when I am throwing things into my empties, a lot of the things that are going into my empties lately are from Glossybox. Overall, I do wish I saw a few more items in this box from the makeup family, which is feedback I've given them a couple times. That being said, all of the products in here I will use and all of them are sensible. So I'm not mad about this box at all. And if I'm going for usability and for functionality, then 5 out of 5 for sure. But like, girl's gotta have her makeup. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Glossybox unboxing and first impression / review, whatever you want to call it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We are already so close to 4K and I am going to do another giveaway at 4K. So if you are still here and you are not subscribed, don't forget to hit that button because we can then include you in the next giveaway.